Okay, so we are looking at our charter here, and we called ourselves the Back in Black team. Black being when we're in the positive, when we have write-ups. Red is when we have write-offs, so we want to reduce the red and get back in the black. So for our project charter, our analysis, we're looking at reducing dollars lost due to write-offs. Our business case is that there's an unnecessary loss of revenue due to excessive write-offs in the company. Our problem statement in calendar year 16, our write-off rate was about 10%. That was last year of net revenue. Now in calendar year 17, year to date, we're at about 6% of net revenue. Our goal statement is we want to reduce our write-offs from 6%, the current percentage that we're at, to 3% by calendar year 18. And our scope is, we're basically just going to look at this from the schematic design to the final construction drawings. That portion of the work that we do, there's a lot more of the work that we do, but that's the portion that we're really focusing on for our project here today. And one thing I will say is that write-offs are a really good proxy for waste that's occurring in the company and even problems with quality. So this is a great way for us to look at those two things in the company. Okay, so moving on to a SIPOC. So we did a SIPOC for our project as part of our define phase. And so if we look at this, we'll start first with the process. Again, as I mentioned, we're working basically with schematic design, design development, permit drawings, agency review, and final drawings. So you can see that portion of our process here. And then moving to our customer. For the purpose of our process, we are considering the contractor to be our customer. So since that's who we are handing our work off to. Then our outputs are completed construction drawings and our specifications that go along with those drawings. Our inputs are the design creativity of our staff, the architecture, engineering, and landscape architects. We have the software that's used, the Civil 3D and Revit software. We have staff time, and then the client's vision also is a very important input. And then our suppliers in this are BCRA, again, our sub-consultants, and then our client supplies some of the pieces that we need to be able to complete this process. And so with that sort of covers our define phase. I'll hand it over to Lauren, who will take care of the measure phase.